Do you want to know how to snipe on BullX? Well, in this video, I will show you how you can earn your invested money and how to grow it using just a few clicks. So, sniping is a technique that you can use in order to actually gain some more leverage on your part. You can click right here into this three lines option, and from in there, you can go over right here to this explore. So on the explore, you can see in here the top performance. You can sort it by monthly or minute or per hour, per 6 hours, 24 hours, and the likes. You can see in here the performance, you can see the gainers and losers and the likes as well. So we have in here this. You can see the gainers, you can see the trending, the recents, and the like. You can also click onto these three lines and then head over right here to the automation. So this automation right here, you can head over and then place and or create an automation in this case, which will allow you to snipe without even you yourself manipulating it. So you can head over and use it and add those snipe tokens into your portfolio.